Assalamu alaikum, this is Hamna Khalid from the Ocean of Knowledge. Today I will tell you the detailed description of present perfect continuous tense. This is the last type of present tense. Now we are learning present perfect continuous tense. First of all, I will tell you the introduction of present perfect continuous tense. What is present perfect continuous tense? In this sense, the verb shows that the action is going on continuously and not completed at the present moment. Present continuous tense is also called present perfect progressive tense. How to make present perfect continuous tense? In making present perfect continuous tense, we use has been or have been and present particle. With I, you, we, they and plurals we use have been, and with he, she, it and singular we use has been. Mostly in making present perfect continuous tense we use point of time or period of time. What is point of time or period of time? Point of time is that when we say something that is fixed time, in fixed time we use point of time, but when we say in which the time is not fixed, then we use period of time. For point of time we use since, and for period of time we use for. I give you the example of point of time and period of time so that to make it clear to you. In point of time, when we mention the name of days, years, months, the name of all these things, then we use since. When we say so many hours, so many days, so many months, so many years, then we use for. Examples have been given below. I have been reading a book since 3 o'clock, in which the time is fixed 3 o'clock, so we use since. Have you been flying a kite for 2 hours? 2 hours, we don't know which 2 hours of the whole day, it is period of time. Have we not been studying since 2019? In this the time is fixed 2019, the year is fixed, so we will use since. They have not been digging a hole for 10 minutes. We not know which 10 minutes, so it is for. He has been driving car since 1 o'clock. It is the time is fixed. He has been driving a car since 1 o'clock. She has not been cooking meal for 1 hour. In this the time is not fixed. We don't know which 1 hour from which 1 hour she has been cooking, so it will use for. Has the dog been barking since morning? In which the time is fixed. The dog has been barking since morning, then we use since. Now I tell you the uses of present perfect continuous tense. They are not so many because present perfect continuousness is not used in so many places, in so many situations. So I tell you its uses. It is used for an action which began at some time in the past and is still going on. For example, he has been sleeping since 5 o'clock. And another example may be they have been building a bridge for several months. Another example to make the point clear to you is that she has been playing Ludo for 2 hours. Another example, use of present perfect continuous is that the tense is also used for an action already finished. In such cases, the continuity of activity is emphasized as an explanation of something. For example, if the question is so, why are you so wet? The answer will be in present perfect continuous tense. I have been. The answer will be I have been watering the garden. So it is clear to you. The lecture is over now. I have made you clear all points of present tense. The points I shared with you, I think have been clear to you, I hope. Now in the next lecture we will start all types of past tense. See you in the next lecture soon, inshallah.